Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you a free infographic title that we made for Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve 17 right now we're on the edit page, and as you can see here is the infographic title. It's a sample from our latest infographic pack. The link is in the description below for the pack, and there is also the link for this sample. You can download it completely for free and you can start to play around, try it out and see if you like it. So basically here in the inspector you have a couple of things that you can do. You can adjust the size and the position. You can adjust the colors of the line, the colors of the column. So here let's convert them to green, for example. You can also adjust the control. So here raising the value, so you can adjust all those for each column. Then you can change obviously the value for each axis. So here value A, B, C, D, same for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10. You can change all those values right here with text. So then you have, quick thing, when you download the pack, make sure that you're installing the font, otherwise you will not be able to see the preview and stuff. So make sure you install the font so everything is working properly. They will be in the folder with your download. So here then we have another thing that I really like, is that you can choose to have the animation out, or you can just toggle it and there is no animation out. Another cool thing is, so right now it's on the black background, but if you want to put it on top of some footage, so here I'm just gonna bring some footage right here. As you can see, the white line doesn't pop up so much because there is quite a lot of white on this shot, but we can make it pop by using the background. So here we're gonna raise the opacity of the background, and we basically managed to create more separation between the title and here the footage. And this background is animated too, so it is in with the animation. So that's something that I really enjoy. You can obviously change the color if you want to. So here you can make it let's say green if you want to make green for some reason. You can do all those things. You can adjust the opacity, you can adjust the size also. So I'm just gonna put it back in black because it was better like that. But you can also adjust here the size. So if you just want the square to be taken into account to make like a rectangle all around it, you can do that. Here let's put the opacity like that. Here you go, and you can have just the title being surrounded with that background and not the entire clip if you want. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comment if you like it. That will mean a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition and templates, built only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.